Yeah, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Sorry. Yeah, let's go. This is your sample?
Yeah, these are the samples that we got. These are all blanks. I like the print. It feels nice. It's not like heavy on the clothes, which is what I like.
DTG.
We like this one a lot. This one's really nice. The softness of the fabric.
Yeah.
This one is crazy heavy. This is the 425 GSM.
Oh, yeah.
This is so thick. Definitely not for California, but I mean, it's a cool shirt just to feel, just to see how thick you can make the shirt.
Because we're trying to update new style every month, so sometimes we will try different fabric.
I wanted to ask, so all your t-shirts, can they be custom cut and sewn? So can we make them extended length and things like that?
Exactly.
Yeah,
we
exactly.
mostly do for that.
And we like this fabric, so it's like I don't need something super thick. What I care about is how soft it feels. I don't want a super scratchy shirt.
So how many pieces for this one you trying to do? Like,
so this one specifically, I just sent you that design to see how it looked. That's our hoodie design. So we're not gonna make a shirt. Yeah, we're not gonna make a shirt with that. That was the embroidered one that I showed you earlier, right? I just wanted to see how vibrant the paint was gonna look, and if after washing it, it stuck, and if it looked good. So that was purely just for sample purposes.
Yeah. How do you do promotion right now?
We strictly do Instagram, and then we work expos. So there's a lot of anime expos, big anime expos and cons and night markets, and we've been doing that.
Oh.
So in person is our best. We sell the best in person.
Yeah. Like how do you think about French terry?
French terry, that's what it is. That's what I'm gonna say. Sorry, it's French terry. It's not jersey.
This one is referred to Fear of God style. This one, 365, really soft. Yeah.
What material is this?
This is cotton.
Cotton.
Cotton, organic.